gas range not working. Don't panic. New Star Appliance Repair in Calgary is here to help. We offer diagnosis. We check burners, igniters, and gas lines. Igniter replacement. Fix broken igniters so your burners light up. Burner repair. We adjust or replace faulty burners. Gas leak repair. Detect and fix dangerous leaks. Control panel fixes. Solve temperature and control issues. Why choose us? Fast service. Same or next day repairs. Experienced technicians. Skilled and reliable. Affordable rates. No service call fee if you repair with us. Safety first. We follow all safety protocols. Book your repair today. Call or visit our website now.